Wonderful design showing beautiful classics. Concentrate on details and quality. Produced at 1280 degrees Celsius temperature, high class. Slow down cover, keeps silent and is scratch resistant. Cover is easy to remove for cleaning. Double flush for saving water. Nano surface for easy and smooth cleaning. Super big outlet which wouldn't get jammed or blocked. Glazed pipe, smooth 360 degrees. Flush tested high quality, fitting with 7 years warranty. 6 holes strongly flushing together. The product has passed water saving certification. 50 pieces PP pedal. 10 pieces ping pong ball. 50 pieces plastic bottle cap. 30 pieces water ball. 800 pieces PP ball. Waveline, a complete bathroom solution. Our website, www.wavelinesanitary.com.